Hi, my name is AMALI in IRFAN. My train number 074825. And together with my group today, we will present about AliExpress and its encryption algorithm and its online application. The slide here. What is AliExpress? AliExpress is an online retail service that is based in China and owned by Alibaba Group. AliExpress aims to become a platform for mobile merchants to sell locally and globally, thus enabling consumers from around the world to buy directly from manufacturer or end distributor. AliExpress started out as a business-to-business buying and selling portal, but eventually expanded to include business to consumer, consumer to consumer, cloud computing, and payment services, as you can see today. AliExpress uses SHA-256 and with HARITH encryption. This is the main topic for today, SHA-256 and HARITH encryption. What is SHA-256? SHA-256 or secure hashing algorithm is a part of the SHA-2 family algorithm. So basically, secure hashing algorithm is the cryptographic hash function that is widely used for data integrity and security. And for SHA-256, it generates a unique 256-bit hash value for input data, offering robust resistance to attacks. SHA-256 originally published in 2001 by NSA, National Security Agency, and the NIST, National Institute of Standard and as the successor to SHA-1. Final hash value of SHA-256 will always be 256 bits. The final output SHA-256 is always a fixed size hash value consisting of 256 bits. This ensures a consistent level of security and integrity in the cryptographic process. So next one is the characteristic of SHA-256. SHA-256 length of message. The clear text should be less than 264 bits in length. To keep the digest as random as possible, the size need to be in the comparison area. Next, we have the digest length. In the SHA-256 algorithm, the length of the hash digest should be 256 bit. In the SHA-512 algorithm, it should be 512 bit and so on. Bigger digest usually mean that a lot more calculation need to be done, which takes time and space. Next, SHA-256 is irreversible. All hash functions like SHA-256 are made to be irreversible. If you already have the digest, you shouldn't be able to get the plain text. If you run the digest through the hash function again, it shouldn't give you the original.
I will be explaining on the workflow of SHA-256 algorithm. Step number 1. Adding bits. The bits are appended to the original input to make it compatible with the hash function. The total bits must be always 64 bits short of any multiples of 512. The following formula will depict this step. The first added bit will be 1, and then followed by zeros. Step number 2, padding length. The length of the original message is padded to the result from step 1. The length will be expressed in the form of 64 bits, and the resultant string will now be multiple of 512. Step number 3, buffer initialization. 8 buffers are used of 32 bits each. 8 words are named A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Do take note that the words are taken from the first 32 bits of each fractional parts of the square roots of the 8 first prime numbers. Step number 4, process each block. The entire message will be broken down into n blocks of 512 bits each. Each block will go through 64 rounds of operations. The output of each block will be used as the input for the following block. The entire cycle will keep repeating until we reach the last 512-bit block. The output of the final hash digest will be of the length of 256 bits.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AIZAT bin SAIFULAZAM. Number metric 072167. Now I would like to explain what is RSA encryption. RSA stands for Reverse SHA Agreement. Algorithm is a public key encryption technique used to secure data transmission over the internet. Originally introduced in 1978, the algorithm is based on factorization of large numbers. For the next one, characteristic of RSA encryption. For number 1 is key exchange. RSA allows secure key exchange between AliExpress and its user. The public key is used by customer to encrypt their information before sending it to the platform, and AliExpress decrypt it using the private key. For number 2 is digital signature. RSA can be used for digital signature, enabling AliExpress to verify the authenticity and integrity of messengers, ensuring they have not been tampered with during transmission. For the last one, we have key length. The security of RSA depends on the length of the key used. AliExpress is likely to be employ longer key lengths such as 2048 bits to ensure a high level of security. For example, we can see the picture below how the characteristic of RSA encryption.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad from Muhammad JAILANI. Number meter is 073206. Today I'm going to talk about workflow of RSA algorithm. Okay, step 1 is key generation. Two random numbers P and Q of the same length will be selected. P and Q will undergo a primality test to ensure they are prime numbers. Next is to calculate modulus n using the formula n equal to P times Q. After that is to calculate the using the Carmichael function lambda n using this formula. After that is to select integer e that meets the following criteria. One is smaller than e and e is smaller than n, and e must be a coprime of lambda n. After that is modulus n and exponent e will be our public key. After that is to calculate d equal to e powered minus 1 mod lambda n. D can be found using the extended Euclidean function. After that is to n and d will be our private key. Step 2 is encryption. Plain text message will be converted into ASCII code. Using the public key, the converted message will be encrypted into a ciphertext with the formula C equal to m powered by e mod n. And next step is decryption. Using the private key, the ciphertext can be decrypted with the formula m equal to c powered by d mod n. That's all from me.
My name is Muhammad HARITH bin MAZLAN. My metric number is 074974. Today, I will share about the advantage of SHA-256. Firstly, it's secure and trusted industry standard. SHA-256 is an industry standard that is trusted by leading public sector agencies and used by technologies leaders. Secondly, its hash collision are near impossible. There are 256 possible hash values when using SHA-256. Therefore, it is unlikely for two documents to coincidentally have the same exact hash values. Thirdly, it was FNC. SHA-256 is designed to be computationally efficient while still providing a high level of security. It offers a balance between security and performance, making it suitable for AliExpress large-scale operations. Fourth, the avalanche effect. Any change to the original information will completely change the hash values. Next, the advantage of RSA. Firstly, the security. AliExpress use RSA encryption since it's considered very secure and widely used by online banking application and other e-commerce platform. Secondly, it was reliability. RSA encryption is reliable and secure for sending private information. Last but not least, speed. RSA encryption enables AliExpress to process transaction and purchase at real time since it's relatively fast and efficient. Next, we move to the disadvantage of SHA-256. Firstly, speed. SHA-256 is slower when compared to other hashing algorithms. Secondly, it was compatibility. Some software may need to be updated to support SHA-256 encryption. Next, we move to the disadvantage of RSA. Firstly, it was complexity. RSA encryption is a complex mathematical method that some people can find difficult to understand and implement properly. Secondly, large key size. Large key size are needed by the RSA algorithm in order for it to be secure, which increase the amount of computing and storage space needed. Last but not least, vulnerability to quantum computing. RSA encryption is susceptible to attack from quantum computers, which might be able to decipher the encryption. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.